Hi guys, it's me Brian. Today I'm going to be unboxing two velosraptors. Yep, this is the Legacy Collection Velociraptor right here, and Velociraptor Blue. I might be a little too late to do this one. Because these were actually released pretty much last year, which is 2022. They've still been popping up this year, which is pretty interesting. Yes, these were one of the first Jurassic World Dominion ones. Yep, these were for a Jurassic World Dominion line. Yeah, so these two, this one is a Danger Pack, and this is a Legacy Collection. Both of these are some of the older ones. I managed to get them though. Let's start with this. Let's start with Blue. This is a Danger Pack with a T-Rex face. So you can scan this one. Yes, and this was the last one I needed. I already got the other three last year. Let's open it up. Now, the reason why oh my gosh. The only reason why I didn't get this one last year was because I already had a blue figure. But I decided, you know what? I like this figure. I'm getting it. The detail is pretty good. The stance is good. Pretty good. But the stripes, I've seen one that goes through the tail. This one doesn't. And I'm not sure if that's a movie accurate or not movie accurate, but seems pretty cool. Articulation, while the mouth can open. Neck movements. I like the neck movements though. Arms, legs that don't have any painted nails. That's weird. And a tail movement. Scan code. This also shows in the box where you can scan it. Here's the other one, the Legacy Collection Velociraptor. This is an orange one. The T-Rex face, but this is a different background. As you can see, the box is a little damaged. Yes, this is one with kind of a damaged box right here. This is what it does. Scan it, this one too. Alright, let's cut it open. I think, yeah, this one is two. I'm going to cut one because I think, yeah, there you go. This is the orange Velociraptor with good patterns on the back. No painted nails, just like the other one. But the stance is different than the other one. Articulation. A jaw can move like that, and so does the neck. Arms can move like this and can swivel. And so the legs splay. Tail can move. The action feature, yeah, this one has an action feature, is the swiveling. You can swivel this. That's the literal action feature. The thing in the box, it shows you a side slashing. You just move it. It's just a manual movement. Yeah, it's actually manual. You'll manually have to do it. So it slashes while also like biting it. Yeah. So these, I'm gonna show you the scan code for this one. The scan code is right here. These are some of the pretty much the first Dominion Velociraptors. And I got them literally a year after they've been released. It's not one of the most interesting ones, but it's pretty good. Anyways, more reviews and unboxings coming up later on this month. So stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe as well, because I want to get to 500 subscribers by, I don't know, the end of next year. No, not that. end of next year, at the end of the first month on next year, 2024, at the end of January 2024. So stay tuned for more. Also turn on notifications if you want to see more.